Pairing your Beats earbuds to your iPhone is designed to be quick and easy. As of late 2025, with iOS 18.2, your iPhone can automatically detect and pair with Beats devices like the Beats Studio Buds, Beats Fit Pro, or Beats Solo Buds when they're nearby. First, make sure your Beats earbuds have at least a 20% charge. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Put your Beats earbuds into pairing mode, usually by opening the charging case or pressing the power button. Your iPhone should then display a pop-up asking to pair with your Beats. Confirm, and you're connected. This process typically takes just a minute or two. If you don't see the pop-up, select your Beats from the list of available devices in the Bluetooth settings. Move away from other wireless devices that might interfere with the connection. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Download the Beats app from the App Store and check for firmware updates. Ensure your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later for full compatibility. In Bluetooth settings, tap the eye next to the Beats device and select Forget this device, then Repair. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to install the latest iOS version. With these tips, you should be able to enjoy your Beats earbuds without frustration.